Okay, flutes, this is a little help to play Havana. So I'm going to give you a couple of exercises to do to get ready. I want you to play 2 Ds, 2 B flats. My thumb just rolled over to that key there. 2 Ds, 2 B flats, 2 Ds, 2 B flats. Step 1. Okay, step 2, I want you to play D, D, B flat, G. Step 3, add a B flat to the beginning of that. Count yourself in. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. Step 1, 2 Ds, 2 B flats. Step 2, 2 Ds, 2 B flat, add a G. Step 3, count yourself in. 1 and 2 and 3, add a B flat, D, D, B flat, G. And that's the first little thing there. Step 4, I want you to play D, C, D, C, D, C, D, C, D. Very smoothly and several times. That's hard to do because you're going from a lot of fingers down to just a couple of points that you're touching the flute, and so it's going to feel as though it's going to fall. Try to play the flute with very soft fingers and keep the fingers very close to the instrument. You'll notice that I'm not that. It'll take a little while, but that's an important step. Okay, step 5. I want you to play E flat, D, C, B flat. Next step, step 6, I want you to add the DCD to that little descending figure. And then you should be able to just add your D, D, B flat, G back to it. Okay, so here it is, the upbeat into bar 5, bar 6, and bar 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and... Okay, after that in bar 6, 7, in 8 and 9, that shouldn't pose you any problem at all. I'll go from bar 5, I'll do bar 5, bar 6, bar 7, bar 8 and bar 9 now. 1 and 2 and 3 and... Okay, I go on and it's a little bit different. it's bar 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll go from bar 10 now. I've got D, C sharp, D, E flat, D, C, B flat, D, B flat. D to B flat. Now, the next little bit starts the same, but instead of finishing with a B flat, I'm going to finish with an A. Here we are. Now to finish it off, B flat, A, B flat, A, B flat. So my thumb at the back is doing that little rolling motion, and I finish on G. Now at the back, if you looked at my thumb, if you could see my thumb, the action here is not like a massive it's not that. It's a very, very, very small motion. The trick on the flute is to keep your gestures really quite compact. Keep your fingers very, very close to the keys. Okay.